Hi, hello, and welcome to Noodles Monday Aaha, a series on instant noodles. New recipes every Monday. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button below for more videos. Today we're gonna cook cheesy chicken noodles.
Today we will be using top ramen chicken noodles to prepare our cheesy chicken noodles.
Let's get into the video.
First thing is we will marinate the chicken. So I have taken around 200 grams of chicken and I've diced it into small pieces. We will add 1 sachet of the seasoning that is available in the packet. Mix it well. And allow it to marinate for 30 minutes. Now for cooking the noodles, I have taken a pan. We will add 2 glasses of water. Once the water comes to a boil, we will add 2 blocks of noodles from the packet. Cook for 2 minutes. Once the noodles are cooked, we will set it aside. Now we will prepare a white sauce for the cheesy noodles. For that, I have taken around 10 grams of butter. We will melt the butter in low flame. Once the butter melts, we will add 1 teaspoon of finely chopped garlic, fried so that the flavors of the garlic infuses in the butter. We will add 1 teaspoon of finely chopped onions and fry it along with the garlic till the onions get glossy. Once the onion gets glossy, add the marinated chicken and fry it. At this time, if you want to add some extra butter, we will add some extra butter. Once the chicken is cooked, we will add some chopped mushrooms and fry it. Once the mushrooms are cooked, we will add 1 teaspoon of plain flour and mix it well. We will be using 1 cup of cold milk. As the flour thickens, we will add half a cup of milk. Stir it well till the milk thickens. Once the milk starts to thicken, at this point of time, add the rest of the milk. Once the milk thickens to a consistency where it sticks to the spoon, at this point of time, we will add packets of the seasoning that is in the packet. And mix it well. And now we will add some diced cheese. I'm using cheddar cheese, but if you want to use mozzarella or any shredded cheese, you can add it. Once the cheese blends with the white sauce, at this point of time, it's time to add the cooked noodles. We will add the cooked noodles and we will mix it well so that the sauce blends with the noodles. Your cheesy chicken noodles is ready.
Hope you love this video. Please like, share and subscribe my videos. Thank you for watching.